Namaste to everyone. I am Dr. Ravi Babu, Associate Professor at CGARD, also looking after SIRD ETC's unit in NIRDPR. I would like to explain the SIRD grading system, how to fill the values in each parameter wise. I will take you the first component, research performance. What are the things you need to fill in each column? What is the target? What is the achievement? I will explain with the handbook what we provided, the detailed description as well as the Excel sheet and how to the data you are going to enter. I hope you got all the report on development of grading system for SIRDs. The detailed report we provided to you. Straight away you can go to the background, the complete background is explained here. You can go to the page number 10. It is completely explained what are the parameters are considered. Page number 10 in the document, otherwise in the whole document is a 12. And these are the list of measurable indicators which complete description has given. So now I will explain the research performance, how it is taking places, what are these definitions, so that it is easy to you to fill the information. And I am taking you the sheet which we provided to all of you. This is in Excel format. You can see the first one, SIRD details. Kindly fill all the details. Name of the SIRD, state SIRD, name of the officer prepared, date, email and mobile, and name of the officer verified, date, email, mobile number. And these are the indicators, which are the performance indicators and weightages all given. Don't worry about all those things. And if you want to know, you please open this document. It is very clearly explained. Now I will explain the like a training performance. So can you see, you have to enter all the values in these columns only. No need to worry about the weightages. Is all defined weightages is given after many deliberations, and the model is developed, and per achievement you will get automatically. These are the training indicators which you need to understand and fill the data set over here. So I will take you straight away to the first one. The first one is training need analysis, training strategy plan, training calendar, approval of training modules, list of empanel training. The same thing which it is also is assigned here in the serial number A, preparedness for training activity. So generally these things we are doing in the very first our training program, maybe during the April month. We used to do all these things. Of course TNA we are doing very early. So you have to understand and clearly enter that what is the training need analysis. Everybody knows that, and you need to know whether it is done or not, whether it is conducted or not in our program, for assessment for program. So we requested the assessment year for the 2019 to 2020. So whether the assessment updation of the training need has been done at regular intervals at beyond the 5 years, yes or no. And this document is basically strategy plan. Of course, once you are done for the training need analysis assessment, it is going for the strategic plan and training program. This is a continuous the process. So you have done the training analysis, training need and assessment. Yes, you have done. You entered 1. That means you are yes. Otherwise, no means 0. So you can put another 1 because you targeted 1. You have done and you also achieved it. At the same time, once you finish the training need assessment, of course we are going for the strategy plan before you go for it, and whether the strategy plan that is based on the variability of resources, like resources for the 3 to 5 years, and which you are already done in this period. Yes, you have to enter. Yes, you already done. Generally we used to do that. You entered over here strategic plan, yes, and another one. And once you prepared the strategic plan, obviously we are going for the training calendars. We are going to prepare the training calendars which you have to publish in your website in your department. Yes, you have done. You can also enter yes 1 and 1. And all the actual training programs, you can see that you can see the next one, training calendar is done. Then approval of training modules, whether training modules with the objective whatever you are proposed for that year, session plans, course material, case studies, the material may be in the case studies, films, e-learnings, etc. By training quality management committee internally, what you prepared, or constituted and export from the institution or outside also, whether those training modules are approved or not, that you have to clearly mention. Yes, generally we used to do that. Yes, it is done. Whatever the planned training program modules we have approved and before this training program, that's fine. Then next one is approval of the list of empaneled trainers. So this is a list of empaneled training, like what are the empaneled trainers you have. You may have a previous trainers also, but however in that particular assessment year you need to again approve them, the previous list also. So again you have to assign them. Yes, you have done, whether those activity you have done or not, you have to make sure. Definitely we used to do that, otherwise you put a 0. Next is you have a component B2F, that is here in campus training camp, like in campus programs, off campus programs, SATCOM or online programs. Due to COVID, many people we have done the requested assessment year last year online only, and networking programs and trained participants. So these information is like variability is a very common. So that's what I just here the documentation is clearly is given. Trainers training. So number of programs, foundation and like a induction, refreshment or functional orientation and specialized programs conducted for ETCs or RIRDs or DPRCs during that year. Have you done any TOTs for your ETCs or your next linking institutions? So this is the meaning. So I am taking that, and training means number of training programs conducted for individuals. This is the one. And seminar workshop, number of programs conducted in that particular year, and write shops, number of programs conducted in that year, and events, if any events you are planned, 1 or 2 days events, yes, we can go for it. For stakeholders mainly, you have to focus on the stakeholders and awareness for the program, especially in that. So all description has given, kindly go through it. Now I am trying to fill it. In campus TOT, yes, I have done the TOT. Please make sure the TOT you are doing for the ETCs, RIRDs and DRPs. So yes, TOT I have planned it 3 in campus, but I could able to complete 2. At the same time, training programs, yes, in campus I have planned training programs for the other people again, and I have planned 20, I could able to finish the 19. Okay, and the seminar, yes, I planned 2, I completed 1. And write shops I have done 1, but I could not able to complete. And these are all approved. Please make sure that these are all approved for that year. And events, yes, I have a planned 1, I completed 1. At the same time, offline training, off campus training programs, it may be in your ETC centers or your extension centers. You can say that TOT, yes, I have planned 2, I have completed 2. I completed 2. At the same time, training in that ETC, so wherever you are planned, it may be planned 10, I have completed 9 or 8. And the seminars I have not planned since the facility concern, so I have put a 0 and put a 0. And also I can put a like right shop I have not done, planned for the off campus I have not done. And you can see events, yes, I planned 1 for specific that region to for the stakeholders, yes, I completed 1. Again, the SATCOM program, say for online, so many people are doing SATCOM, especially some institutions are very good into the, especially for the Mysore. And you can see that training programs through online, yes, I have planned maybe 8, I have completed 7. Otherwise you put it 8 also. Training programs online I have done 30 planned. These are all approved. Please make sure the target is you are approved. I have approved these programs 30, and I have completed almost 30 programs. And seminars I have planned online seminar 1, and I completed 1. And write shops I don't have any plan, it is not approved or I have not any plan, so 0 0 you can put it. And now you can see the events, I don't have any events, you can put a 1. Online events 0, and you can put a 0 over here. At the same time, networking programs, any networking programs which TOT point of view in your networking program through NIRD also you can conduct it. TOT what kind of, maybe I planned 1 and I complete 2 or I completed 1. And training programs I have done, I planned 9, but I could able to finish only 8. So seminars 0, networking for programs, and I have completed 0. And it is approved 1 white shop, 0 right shop I have not planned, in fact approved kind of 1 event I planned, I completed 1. The same way training participants. So this is a training trained participants. You can see the trained participants, where you can also explain like trained resource persons and how many training resource person you have done. trainers resource person. You can see the document also, it is A to F on how it is taking places, and you can see the trained and resource persons, how many you have, numbers you have to put it. So maybe trainers TOT kind of thing, I targeted 20 people and completed 20, and RD and PR functionaries I have done maybe 200 I have planned, and of course is approved, and I completed 150 otherwise. And elected representative I have planned 200, and it is was approved based on the above training programs, and I could able to finish 100. And those participants only came due to COVID, like that. I'm just giving all the like how the possibilities. NGOs I planned 100, but I could able to finish 50. And other functionaries, other than these functionaries, I planned 100, so I got the 100 people. So this is my like all the training performance. Now new program undertaking. So this is very important to understand. In addition to the regular, these are the above regular programs and repeated programs. So some programs may be repeated, maybe because for 3 years you want to go for the saturation mode, so that's what you are repeating. And new programs for this year means designed with the preparation of fresh training modules. Please make sure you have to understand that for this year, what is the new program design, and prepared the new module for this year onwards, for this years, and it should be approved. So it may be like this: state government program, state government is asking you to prepare the specific program for the new module or new design program. Program should conduct different subject on the state government interest, and MORD or MOPR is given specific subject concern. You already designed on that. And networking program for NIRD also is giving from the NIRD calendar networking programs, collaborative joints, and local department, local other domain experts. They need some specific collaborative joint programs. Yes, you can do it. And sponsor programs, some people are asking to train the, suppose PMGSY engineers is there sponsoring you to train the geotagging aspects. Yes, we can do that. These are the different new programs which you are undertaking from these are the sources. Now see this. Now you can see in the new program how many new training programs are proposed, kind of new TOT. Yes, I have one TOT. It may be state government, MORD, or I can say sponsor, collaborative, whatever it is. I have completed one. And the training programs, I got one sponsor program from the state government, MORD one other one, and I can say local collaborative another one. I can say like that 3 programs I got it in different sources, undertaking point of view, and 2 sponsored also I got it. Assume that. So I have completed all these 3. It is approved all during my calendar year. Please understand. And seminar I got one for the specific agenda for my state people. So state government is requested to go for the workshop and training programs. Yes, I have done it. And then workshop, right shop, I have not planned anything. I have not get any request. Okay, fine. And event, I have done one good event for the state level, or MORD is assigned for the state level training awareness event kind of thing. So I have done those things. Then like a training quality, again the total training hours, how many you have spent. So you can see the number of hours you have, number of training programs. Based on that, you can see the number of training hours you have done. Suppose I have done around 500 hours, the planned one. Of course, I finished 500 hours. And again field visit, in which I have another 50 hours of field visit altogether programs. So please understand, all the training programs you may be included some field visits. You segregate that and you can enter. And the proceedings of the, can you come here, proceedings of the feedback. Yeah, this is a training, total training, number of training hours excluding feedback, field hours. And here field hours you have to add. Proceeding drafted for seminars, number of proceedings submitted for action to be sponsored agency against the number of programs conducted. So someone is asking to write shop workshop. Can you see here, I entered here once workshop, state government is sponsored, I have completed, and I prepared the proceedings, I have submitted. Yes, you can do that. Please kindly look here, it is a linked here one, so it is almost a link here. Okay, so then online feedback, have you conducted any online TNP feedback? So you can see this TMP, this online feedback for all the program. Please understand, whatever the programs which you conducted here, both the sponsored or non-sponsored or regular programs or new design, you have to mention. So online feedback I got, can you see how many participants now we got now? Can you see here target participants 150, 250, 300, 420 participants, right? These are my achievement, this is my target. So all these people supposed to give feedback. So I have done the feedback for the online feedback around 420, how many 1 2 3 4 420 people. So online feedback I targeted, in fact in which one seminar I conducted for one seminar I have conducted for the 100 people. So for them I have taken the like feedback gathered number of participants other than online. So physically I have taken, so 100 I have done, but in physically they are given only 98 people, 2 people they could not able to given, and I have not collected the tag. So rest of 320 people out of here, so 320 people they are supposed to give online feedback. I have a TMP mode. So because these 100 people I have done the one seminar feedback. So seminar feedback I have not designed, so I have taken the paper based or whatever the other format. So 320 they are supposed to give online feedback, but I could not able to get them due to network, whoever it is, or you make sure that you got the 320 feedback, but I could able to see only 300 people have given the feedback. Like that you have to see the link. Can you see the link, complete link I am trying to give you? Then next is the performance training activity completed. State government wise, can you come back to the I? So come to the performance base, like how much you are going to complete now. Yes, so how many training programs you are completed, which you already committed and approved it. State government program I got 2 sponsored programs, yes I completed 2, and I got MORD program 2 and I have completed 2. Networking NIRD programs I committed 50, but I could not able to complete those things. I have completed 48. Collaborative I got 2 and I completed 2. In that particular year, and it is also is approved. I got one sponsor program, I completed 1. Like that you can see that, and again you can see the evaluation update mechanism, how it is happening. You go to the in this sheet, the evaluation and updation, how it is happening, the change made, incorporated in the training curriculum, number of learning points from the feedback studies incorporated in training curriculum, and the learning points from studies or feedback, and number of learning points from the studies documented, reported, improve the training curriculum. So annual self appraisal, whether the conduct any study or prepared appraisal based training feedback or not. And you can see the like wherever you see yes or no, you have to put a 1 or 0. And third party evaluation, the third party study was commissioned for the evaluating training program for the previous year or not. And report publication, whether evaluated of the publication relating to the improvement of training. These are all like you can see the previous years. Have you taken the any change made, incorporated training curriculum? Yes or no? You can say the previous, based on the previous. Yes, you have taken two programs, curriculum has changed. Yes, I have done 1 and it is also finished 1. And at the same time the learning point and studies feedback, whether you are conducted, how many numbers you are conducted, those points you have taken last year feedback 5 6 points, and you have implemented now for the studies. Yes, I have taken a 5 points and I also implemented and modified it. Self appraisal, like appraisal reports, whether I gave the explanation, and it is also is given that whether they conducted any appraisal based training feedback or not. You have to make sure that yes, I have conducted, it is done. And third party evaluation, previously all training programs, have you done with the third party any like agency evaluation agency they have done? Those reporting you are trying to check for the your training need assessment also, you can do that. And whether those kind of exercise you are not done or not. Yes, I have not done, you can put it. Otherwise you make sure that, in fact last year IRMA has done for the all SIRDs, NIRD, those training program evaluation. If you know these things and you understand that yes, IRMA has done, they came to us and they have done, means you know, means you can take this one. Now report publication, have you published the previous all the training module, the report formation, all the information, see evaluation report, and you have it submitted and published in your website? Yes, you can do it. I have completed. So these are all about training programs. Please understand, this is how you have to fill, and kindly make sure the entire documentation is covered here. quickly you can understand, and you can fill this data. This is how you have to fill. Don't worry about your percentages, weightages. It is not related to any other states and all. You please fill your data so that people can understand where the government need to be strengthened for the SIRDs. Yeah. Now I will explain the research performance module, like research performance tab in the Excel sheet for the grading pattern. Yeah, can you see now? You have a after research you have a tab as a research. I mean, after training you have a tab as a research. You have to fill all this information. Again, you go back to the manual which we provide to you. Research training programs you have completed. All the explanation is given. Now you can see the research point of view. Yes, this is infrastructure. You can take the research performance. So these are the indicators they are given. Research, action research, and village adoption, case studies. In that A initiated and completed, performance of research activities completed, research outcomes. So these are the different activities they are given. Now you can see the definition also is a very clearly they explained over here. Come back to this, and A to B, initiated and completed. Now we come to the research. Now here number, how many research programs you are initiated, that means you have submitted and approved that year. I have submitted 2 reports and approved 2 reports. This is approved, please make sure that after submission approved. Then how many you like initiate, sorry, this is initiated, how many you are submitted. So can you come here and see that research, number of research activity initiated, completed as per the research plan. How many you are submitted? I have submitted 3 proposals. I have targeted 3. I have submitted 3. And I got the research initiated means I can get into that. Yes, so targeted, I initiated, I submitted 3, and I supposed to get 3 projects. Yes, I am waiting for that. And action research, I initiated 3 programs. This is my target. I already submitted, achieved in the sense approved. How much you got approved, that is also is very important. So when you got initiated 3, submitted 3 programs, achieved means this is approved. I didn't get approved. I have submitted 3, but I got only approved 1. It may be from any agency, either it may be NIRD research fund or MORD research fund or any external source. I have submitted 3 research proposal in that year. Please understand, from April 2019 to March 2020. So I have submitted 3 proposal. 1 I got approved. Action research project 2, 1 I got approved. Village adoption I got 1, I got approved 1. Case study I have done 4, I have got only 1. And quick studies, modules and all, I have got 3, 2 proposed, I mean submitted, I got only 2 achieved. Please understand now. And how much you have to complete? What is your target? Research, how many research project you supposed to complete? Can you see here? 1. You have to put here 1. This is 1 is coming over here. You got it? And this proposal you have to complete immediately for next year. 1 you have to complete. And again action research, how much you got? This is your target. So this, because it is already approved. Okay. So action research 1, and how much you need to achieve, that means you have to complete another 1. And again you have to see that village adoption 1 and 1. Automatically whatever you have, if you have a previous year, that is a 2 years project, it is going to add here. You have to have a previous year project also you have, and this year project I got this. So total target I have a 2 to be completed. Okay, but I could able to complete only 1. Please understand what I am trying to say. Here I in that particular year, these are the my applied, I got sanction. But you have one project before assessment year, that means 2018 and 2018 and 2019, you got one project to be completed, and now you got one approved project, total 2 project. You supposed to complete 2, but you completed only 1. No problem, you can put it like that. So action research project you have 1, fine. Village adoption 1 is fine. Case studies you have a 1, but previously you have a 3, total 4. You are completed only 3. And you have a quick studies, you have a previous studies 4 plus 2, 5, 6. And I have completed all 6 like that. So please understand these things. Okay. Now Okay, so next tab is you have to check here performance of research activity completed, specifically given by some other assignment. Performance of research activity complete. State government number of research studies completed related to the state government interest. That means, and you can see MORD number of research studies completed related to the interest of MORD, and NIRT sponsored project and collaborative project. Research studies completed SIRT faculty association with other than any other than SIRT, maybe NIRT faculty or local university, local research center, whatever it is. Consultancy project completed, and you have to mention here. Can you see here? Previously I told you I got one project from MORD from here. Suppose I can say from here. So you can finish here. State government, I targeted one, I got submitted one, and that one I completed. MORD is given 2, I completed 1. I got 2 projects previously, I completed 1. And a sponsor project, NIRT project 3, I got it previously, I completed 2 in that year. It may be of previous year also, you can add here, because it's supposed to complete now. Because this is your target to complete, but you have achieved here. And the collaborative project, I have a 2, I completed 2. And the consultancy project, please make sure all these are the interrelated. Consultancy project, you got 1, and I could able to complete 1. Like this you have to enter. And research outcome, come to the notes. Again we are given use of policy development, number of useful learnings findings incorporated help in the policy development, use of schemes implemented, number of incorporated scheme implementation, and incorporated training curriculum, and number of reports published, and number of studies prepared. Now you can come here. And use of policy development, previously you completed some policy research project, and now those projects you are targeted 1, I have implemented those for this training year. So previously I targeted for the scheme implementation study, I have completed 2, and this year I could able to implement in my training program only 1. Maybe second one is I am going to do for next year, because that team is not coming to this year. Likewise, the training curriculum, yes, I got from my study 3 training curriculums I would able to complete and match for this training year. Report preparation, yes, I supposed to complete 4 based on all the completed works, and I could able to complete 3. And report preparation, yes, I targeted 4. Again, please make sure how many you completed. This is automatically it is coming to the report. How many you are completed? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So you supposed to complete 7, whether it is completely or not. Yes, I have completed almost 6. This is how the research performance also you have to enter. Kindly make sure that assessment, these are all interrelated. Kindly make sure and take this help notes and try to complete this information. Now I will take you infrastructure development. What are those parameters? How to fill those informations? Yeah, can you see now? Infrastructure like a tab. You have all this information. Please, this is a very important. You have to understand. And conference halls, go back to your notes and document which we are given. In that particular year, what is the facility you are got? You got sanction, and how much you finished. That is very important. So these are the administrative academic blocks information, and hostel blocks, guest rooms, kitchen rooms, and dining and recreation halls, other facility, residential building, faculty, support staff, and furniture equipment, all the different equipments what they are giving. What is the description over here? Administrative academic block. Conference hall, total floor area square feet developed, added against target in this year, particular year. Faculty rooms, total faculty rooms developed or added. Please make sure here developed. It is clearly saying that how much area developed particular year. That is very important. Don't give the complete existing information, because in your SIRT report it is already there. So conference halls, you are requested that year, you requested to the MORD or whatever the state government fund, whatever it is, you have requested, you are requested one conference hall about 1000 square kilometers, 1000 square feet. Now that is got sanctioned. Okay, 1000 square feet area got sanctioned. Please make sure sanctioned. So how much that facility is constructed, If it is a 50%, yes, you put it 50%, means 500 square feet. You have done 3 floors, 2 floors, that means only 1 floor is completed, you take a 50%, that means 500 square feet you are completed. You are getting my point. Likewise, faculty rooms also, I got sanctioned around again 2000 square feet. I could able to complete 75%, maybe 1500 square feet I have completed. Apart from 3 floors, 2 floors I have completed. So this is a sanction for that year. You don't have a sanction when you put it 0, whatever the fund, whoever it may be, got the funding, it may be state or central, whatever it is, you mentioned this information. So library, I have not got sanctioned, it is a 0. And GIS center, I don't have any plan, I didn't get any sanction, so put a 0. And the rural technology parks, I got around 5,000 square feet. I'm just giving example. So now it was implemented, it's almost completing. So 4,500 square feet almost completed all the infrastructure. That means 90% you completed. Office accommodations, I don't have approved, so I don't have a targets also achieved. Other facility, I don't have any approved, I don't have any achievement. So same way, training rooms, yes, I targeted 1,000 square feet sanctioned for that year. I have not initiated because of the other reasons. And guest rooms also, I got 2,000 square feet, but I could not able to start. And kitchen, yes, I got the 500 square feet. I could able to complete those kitchen facilities since it is very important. Dining, I got it around 2,000 square feet. I also completed this information. And recreation, I got 2,000 square feet, but I could not able to start. Likewise, you have to fill. I don't have this other facility, keep it. And the faculty members, see, residential building, for faculty members, I don't have any facility, I didn't get any approval, so I am keeping 0. And sports, supporting staff, I will put a 0. And furniture, and do you requested furniture for the state government budget, whatever is the budget, furniture for all places number. And what is the computer? So some furniture, I got 20 chairs, suppose 20 numbers of furniture, some furniture, so I got 20. It is got sanctioned, but I got now placed also. So computer, I got 30 computers sanctioned in that year. I could able to get those 30 computers, and it is working. And AV labs, I proposed one and I got a sanction, but I could not able to put it. And video conference facility, I got approved, but I could not able to get it. If you have nothing means 0, you put it. SATCOM facility, it is not sanctioned, so I am putting a 0. E-library, yes, I got one, but I could not able to get 0. That is website development, yes, I have a plan, so yes, you can put it. I already implemented that. And internet bandwidth, you can make sure 100 Mbps I put it. You please make sure. Here it is clearly is given Mbps, and you can also take these notes, and it is clearly explained how much facility, what exactly those information. So you can go through this information also. It will give you how much Mbps you are targeted. Since internet is very slow, you have a previously only 50 Mbps, now you requested 100 Mbps, but due to some reasons you got able to only 50 Mbps. And another 50 there is a chance because it is approved, but you have to grab that. Air conditioner, I got approved 50 numbers, I got only 30 due to some various reasons. UPS, I got 30 sanctioned, but I could able to grab only 10. Okay, Wi-Fi, yes, I got 2 numbers ordered, and I got only 1 because of different reasons. I got approved number of points, I got 10 LAN points 10, but I could not able to finish it. And minibus, yes, I got one approved one, I did not able to procure. And other one 0, I don't have any other aspects. So this is how you have to fill it. Please make sure it is not all area, entire area currently is existing. In that particular is approved, and how much you completed, the percentage. Don't worry about the weightages, all those things, automatically it will come and calculate it. So if you want any details, please go through this information also. Now I will explain the human resource development, what are the information, what are the parameters you need to fill. Yeah, can you see now? This is the HR tab. Now you take the notes. Again, you can take this handbook which we are given, and regular faculty, it is a very clearly is given, and core faculty, how much it is there, and adjacent faculty. It is given regular faculty, number of newly recruited, please make sure newly recruited against total vacancies, sanction post in that SIRD recommendations, core faculty newly recruited, these are all newly recruited faculties, okay, and administrative. In that particular year, how many human resources are got it? So in that budget, that year or maybe previous year, you got regular faculty. Suppose I have regular faculty 3, but I got 2 more sanctioned, but I could able to select them and the process is completed, they are in place. Yes, I could able to achieve. The core faculty is 7, the sanction 1, so I don't have any chance to increase, so 0 0. And I have adjacent faculty 2 sanction, I could able to take 1. I have administrators maybe 7 approved positions, but I could able to get, I mean maybe general admissions is maybe 1 or 2, so I could able to grab them 2, recruit them 2. Accounts, I have 2 persons, but I could able to get 1 and I could able to recruit only 1. Hostel persons, whoever it is maybe, I have approved 3 persons, I got 3 people. And librarian or library persons 1, I got approved, I got recruited 1. And outsourcing manpower, if you have any outsourced people, yes, I got 20 people, I could able to recruit them, I mean only 10. So like that. And HR development academic not trained, so can you go back here? You can also see that what do you mean that like if you are giving a trained persons, you can also explain. Yeah, can you see here? Can you check here in this your yeah, can you come? And HR development, number of faculty trained against faculty in position in that year, SIRD connected to institution, and number of non-academic staff trained against their positions in that. So you have recruited all these people that particular year. Those academic staff, how many people are you are proposed for the training programs? I have regular faculty 2 and adjacent faculty 2. So these are the 2, but I could able to complete it, I mean recruited only 3. So 3 faculty I have planned for the development, HR development training. So I could able to complete, all people are got trained. Non-academic, I have given the training program for administrators and accounts and hostels, all these people. So how many people are over here? And 2, 1, 3. 3 plus 3 is 6 and the library 1 7, and also this 17 people, but I could not able to spend them, so 15 I targeted approved for development, I mean training program for those people, orientation, whatever it is, I could able to complete them. Like this you have to fill the HR information also. Now I will explain the general aspects and fund utilization. So you have a tab, general tab. It is a funding utilization and general aspects, and go to the your documentation, fund utilization and the general aspects. So general fund, total infrastructure capital in lakhs, towards infrastructure, towards recurring items, UC submitted, project fund towards in that year, please make sure GC conducted, EC conducted, training, research, advisory and auditing, all this information. It is a very clearly it is a mention over here. If you carefully look into that, utilization sanction. Now many questions also will come here, truly speaking, and you can see the towards infrastructure and total utilization of fund, and how much you got previously also fine, but you got the fund and how much you have done. You got the 50 lakhs, please enter here in lakhs. I got the 50 lakhs and I could able to like expenditure by I could able to get it almost 45 lakhs. Okay, like that you have to put it. Then towards recurring items, I got only 10 lakhs in that particular year, and I consumed all the 10 lakhs. Okay, now and UC submitted, which you have already done. This means almost once you have done this means you have to complete this. So what is our target? This is the target. Okay, because you supposed to you completed, no, this is already you completed, or previous year you have completed 10 lakhs, so you have to issue the UC. This 4 6 lakh 10 plus 45 65 sorry 55 lakhs, next year you have to submit. This is your target, next year this is the target. So previous year I have done almost 65 lakhs achieved the utilization. So now I am going to complete the 65 lakhs you see I have completed. So yes, I issued all the 65 lakhs UCs, or otherwise you mentioned here due to various reasons I completed, expenditure is completed, UC is supposed to complete done, but the various technical reasons I could not able to do that. You please make sure this. Okay. Now project fund towards infrastructure. You got any infrastructure money? Yes, I got 1 lakh. I am just giving you example. Okay. So you can take. And I have not completed infrastructure way. Yes, I completed 50,000. But you can see in the previous one, the infrastructure wise, you got some space, rooms. That means this fund also is going to increase. The same thing. How much you are getting this acceptance, based on this again you are going to get it, right? The same way. Towards recurring grant, you can enter maybe 10 lakh. Yes, I could able to complete 10 lakh. Okay, likewise you can enter. You see submitted, again you take the previous year, I have a 5 lakhs and plus here is a 10 lakh plus 50,000. I could able to target these things. Yes, we can take that, maybe previous year 10, 20, 25, 25 lakh, 25 lakh, 50,000, I can get it. I have to target, but I could able to issue only 25 lakh UC. Okay, and other fund resources, total infrastructure point of view, how much it is, and towards infrastructure, other funds, if you are getting any funds, you can get. I didn't get any fund, so I don't have any chance, so you can enter in that particular year. I don't have any options. So statutory meetings, yes, use GC one time, it is a planned, is supposed to complete. Yes, it is completed in that year. Then EC meetings, maybe I need to complete 2, but due to reasons I could not able to complete 1. You can also put it. Training or research advisory meetings, group meetings, so I planned 3 times, but I could not able to complete 3 times. I could able to convey the 2 times. So other meeting, if you have a specific meeting, I have a internal meeting, blah, all those things. Yes, I have planned 10 different meetings, so I completed those things also. Then you have auditing point of view. So external auditing, for that assessment year you have done, yes, I have completed. And internal audited, yes, I have done, you can complete it. Annual report you have completed, yes, I have done, you can enter like this. And PFMS operation, you are adapted PFMS operation or not? Yes, I have adapted, my institution is having PFMS option operational, yes, we can enter. This is how you have to enter complete data sets, please understand. Now automatically you will get your overall performance. Don't compare with other states. Okay, please compare, I mean just make sure, and this will give us like where it is lagging and what help can be done. Likewise we can assess. So this is a complete document also is given very nicely. I request you everyone, kindly go through it and fill carefully. If you have any queries, please contact to us and kindly fill the data, quickly submit to the NIRD, because we got so much delay in this pattern, so we need to do a lot of analysis also. And thank you very much for the patience to listening, and take care, and kindly fill the data and send to us using this video. Thank you so much.